St Breward today, outside this fantastic 3-bedroom detached property, sitting in large gardens. As you can see, there's also plenty of parking. When you enter the property, you come into the living room with the log burner, and through to the next room is the open plan dining room and kitchen. The last area on the ground floor is through the kitchen, which leads into the utility room and cloakroom. Back through the property and up the stairs, you'll find the 3 bedrooms and family bathroom. Fantastic views outside the rear windows, looking across beautiful Cornish scenery. Little Meadow is available now, so please get in touch on 01208 73298 or bobmin@webbers.co.uk.